So there's an exit here, guys, on the right, but we are not taking it. We will continue to walk here on the subway. And we're gonna turn left here to exit. This way. Alright, so at this junction we're gonna turn right to the private road with a barrier. So they are a little bit confused. Alright, we're taking this private road with a barrier, guys, to continue our hike going to Madai Stream. So this time we're gonna leave the paved road. We're gonna go up on the dirt path here on the side. Alright, guys, at this junction you can either take the path on the right or on the left, and we decided to go on the left side to go to the 3 windows. They are both heading there, so you can decide which way you'd like to take. And here it is, the 3 windows. Let's check it out. So each hole has a rubbish in it. And the other one, let's see. And this is the view of the 3 windows on the other side of the hill, guys. You can see that. Alright, guys, so we are done with the 3 windows and we are going up to go to the Frog Rock. We are just going to follow the beaten path here going up. And we are approaching the trigonometric point. That is the view of Shatin District, Tai Shui, and on the other side here is going to Ma On Shan. Alright, guys, so I can see the Frog Rock here. That's where we're gonna go. Alright, guys, so our final stop is the Madai Stream. We are done with the 3 windows and Frog Rock today. So we are going to Madai Stream by following the beaten path up here. Finally guys, we arrived here at Maday Stream, and this is the main falls. The water looks so inviting. Let's take a splash. Alright guys, so we just jumped over the fence here, and then we are going to follow the paved road here all the way down to Tai Shui MTR station. So thank you for watching my video today, and I will see you on my next reel. Bye.